Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Before we go on, don't forget to like and share if you enjoy our content. Please hit the subscribe button to get notified when we post more health-related content. Liking and sharing our content helps massively with the growth of our channel, so it's very much appreciated. Today's video is about how to get glowing skin at home. Your skin is the largest organ that you have, so you want to take care of it. Glowing skin is typically seen as a sign of health and vitality. Dull or dry skin, on the other hand, can make you feel less than your best. Here are 10 products and lifestyle changes that you can implement as part of your beauty and skincare routine. The best part? You probably already have everything you need in your pantry, kitchen, or medicine cabinet. 1. Soothe skin with virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and healing properties. But using coconut oil on your face may not work for every skin type. Do not use it if you have allergies to coconut. If you're able to apply it without irritation, it can be used in a number of ways. You can use coconut oil to take off makeup, soothe your skin barrier, promote dewy-looking skin that's healthy below the surface layer. Research shows that coconut oil is a good moisturizer. Try massaging a small amount of coconut oil onto your face. Let it soak in for a few minutes before washing off with your normal cleanser. 2. Use aloe vera to keep skin strong and healthy. Aloe vera has healing properties and may stimulate new cell growth. It also soothes and moisturizes without clogging pores. Using aloe vera after you've washed your face each day may give your skin that healthy glow. It's possible to be allergic to aloe vera. Test it first by rubbing a small amount on your forearm, and if there's no reaction in 24 hours, it should be safe to use. 3. Moisturize properly after washing your face. Moisturize your skin with products that lock in moisture, promote healing, and have antioxidant properties to encourage a glowing, youthful look. Don't exfoliate your skin when it feels dry, and don't skip moisturizer just because your face feels oily. Apply moisturizer to your skin when it's still wet from a shower or from rinsing your face. This will lock in extra moisture rather than working on a surface level to make your face feel smooth. 4. Wear sunscreen daily. Wearing sunscreen with an SPF of 15 or above can prevent skin cancer. Keeping your skin shielded from harmful UV rays also guards against photoaging, which is the process of skin aging. Make sure to apply a product with sunscreen every morning, even on days when it's raining or the sky is overcast. 5. Find a cleansing routine that works. You don't want to rob your skin of moisture by washing it too often, and you don't want to encourage your pores to produce too much extra oil to compensate for too much washing. Washing your face after you've worked up a sweat, first thing in the morning, and right before bed is typically the sweet spot for healthy skin. 6. Avoid smoke and secondhand smoke. When you expose your skin to cigarette smoke, you're coating your face with all sorts of chemical toxins. This ups the oxidative stress in your skin cells, leading to prematurely aged skin. If you smoke, consider your skin as another reason to quit. 7. Drink more water. Your skin is made up of cells that need water to function well. The connection between drinking water and having healthy skin is still ongoing, but at least one 2015 study concluded there's a strong link between drinking more water and having healthier skin. Aim for at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day. 8. Eat to nourish your skin. Eating a diet that's rich in fruits and vegetables will boost the vitamins and antioxidants in your body. According to the Mayo Clinic, eating healthy fats, like fish oils, and staying away from processed foods with lots of preservatives may have a direct connection to healthier-looking skin. 9. Take probiotics. Probiotic supplements may boost your immune system, improve your digestion, reduce bloating and inflammation in your digestive tract. According to one 2014 study, probiotics can contribute to healthy hair and visibly glowing skin, too. 10. Shorten your shower. Steam and heat can open pores and help you get rid of toxins. But running hot water over your skin for more than a few minutes at a time can strip away oil from your skin, leaving it looking tired and dull. Try to minimize your skin's exposure to water that's extremely hot. You may also consider cooling down the temperature in the latter part of your shower to improve circulation, which may give your face a more toned and youthful appearance. As an added benefit, this might boost your immune system. The takeaway: paying attention to your skin is a form of self-care that can pay off in skin that visibly glows. Sometimes stress, nutritional deficiencies, hormone imbalances, and other health conditions can make achieving glowing skin more challenging. Speak to your primary care provider or dermatologist if you're concerned about the way your skin looks. Dull, dry, flaky, or patchy skin can be a symptom of other health conditions.